Hey there, I was looking through your request when I saw that 3 people wanted the same thing. Wanted to see what is inside the piano dancing dinosaur. Well, Victoria Ayala Merengildo, David Liu, and Gyuf Ju too. So, for you, what's inside the piano playing dinosaur?
Toys for you.
Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Because it is summer and we have this nice car. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. This was it, What's Inside. Thank you. Now I'm going to the seaside.
Not so fast!
Kidding. We have what's inside. Piano dinosaur it is. Chop chop. Let's see where is the screwdriver.
So what's holding our dinosaur? Well, the sticker is. And now gently we try to open it. But again, something is holding us back. Yeah, you guessed it maybe. It's the back wheels. Now with the back wheels removed, we should have no problem. Okay, maybe a little, the piano. But we solved it easily. Wow, this is our inside. What do we have here? Well, the engine, of course. The engine spins the wheel beneath and also spins the upper part, which involves moving the hands. You see that shaft? Well, it's linked to that coil, you see? When the vertical plastic thing moves back and forth, it moves the coil of the hands, so the hands appear to play the piano. It's all in the clever gears. Now we try to put it back. Hopefully we can manage it. We gently slide. How nice it fits. It's very satisfying, right? Oops! We have to remove the cap. Voila! Science is magic. Guys, remember, do comment and send your requests because I thoroughly enjoy reading your comments and fulfilling your requests. So keep those comments coming. See you next time.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture straight.